Uh, we had a great journey this season, and as a team, we played really well. We saw some dips as well, and that happens in any sort of journey. And it was good learning lessons for us, and we came back strongly at the right time, and we made it look quite easy when we won our last game. And now we looking forward to play tomorrow's game and take that confidence along with us, and looking forward to win tomorrow's game and get into the finals. Yeah.
ओके शिखर, ये क्वेश्चन है नीरू भाटिया से फ्रॉम द वीक मैगजीन। उनका क्वेश्चन है, दिल्ली मुंबई एक ट्रेडिशनल राइवलरी है, लेकिन लगता है कि मुंबई का थोड़ा सा अपर हैंड है। व्हाट इज द की टू बीटिंग मुंबई?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि अपर एंड है, ये है वो, हम नहीं सोचते वैसे तरीके से। और we are that strong side that we can beat any side, and we have to play good cricket. You know, all the departments, batting, bowling, or fielding, we have to play good cricket. We have to be very clear with the plans, and उनको सही तरीके से implement करेंगे तो everything gonna fall the way we want it.
Okay. Shikhar, next question is from Vishesh from ANI. उनका सवाल है, with Ajinkya Rahane playing in the middle order, do you think it gives you more freedom to express yourself at the top of the order?
Yep, absolutely. Ajinkya brings a lot of stability, as you could see in the last game, the way he batted, and he was always in good touch. Unfortunately, he couldn't convert them into big one. But yesterday, day before yesterday, actually, he played an amazing knock. And of course, with that sort of experience, it's always a Jonas side. And of course, I can play more freely and take the game away from my opposition.
Okay. Next question, Shikhar, is from Kushan Sarkar from PTI. और उनका question है, as a senior opener, your thoughts on Prithvi's form, और आपका क्या advice रहेगा as a senior for Prithvi?
On Prithvi's form, he's timing the ball very nicely. जैसे पिछले मैच में उसने 2-3 चौके मारे and ball बहुत अच्छे जा रहा था. I would just my advice to him will be that stay calm, stay positive. ऐसे moments हर एक के साथ आते हैं, तो it's nothing new, not first time or last time. And just stay positive and believe in your ability, in your process, what you've been doing. और ये नहीं कि ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क करना है, ज़्यादा वो करना है, desperate energy से कुछ होएगा नहीं. तो just stay calm, जो normal एक rhythm चलता है उस पे चले, and I'm sure he'll do wonders. He's a great talent.
Okay. Next question है शिखर from Abhishek from Hindustan Times. और उनका question है, Mumbai Indians captain Rohit Sharma is coming back from an injury. Does that give DC a psychological advantage?
Of course, Rohit is a very good player, and अगर वो इतनी देर से मैचेस नहीं खेला, क्या पता उसका टच ना रहा हो, और कितना I'm sure that कि अच्छे से फिट हुआ होगा. My best wishes to him. और यही है कि एज ऑपोजिशन में कि भाई उसका टच कितना है, कितना नहीं है, कितना कॉन्फिडेंस है, कितना नहीं है, वो हम खेलेंगे तो पता लगेगा. और ऑफ कोर्स जब प्लेयर इंजरी से वापस आ रहा होता है तो एक अलग प्रेशर रहता है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स वी गोना टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ दैट.
Okay. Next question, Shikhar, is from Subodh Mayure from Midday. और उन्होंने पूछा है कि with your form being fantastic, 525 runs from the 14 games so far, is this your best form? Is this your best IPL?
I've been scoring 500 runs from past 4 years, so फिर तो सारे ही बेस्ट होंगे. ना बट क्या कहते हैं, it's special because I scored 2 centuries as well as 2 ducks, which I never did in 13 years. So happy that I can perform consistently and provide great start to my team and be a great asset for my team. And मेरे लिए सारे ही सीजन अच्छे हैं. हर एक सीजन में सेम अच्छे मन से, अच्छे दम से खेलता हूँ, तो किसी सीजन में कोई कमी नहीं छोड़ता. तो मेरे लिए सारे सीजन अच्छे हैं.
Okay. The next one, Shikhar, is from Shritama, and Shritama ka question hai, how much of an advantage is it to have someone like Ricky in your dressing room?
Of course, it's a huge advantage. He's a great coach and a great leader, and he backs us like anything. He always giving us a lot of positivity and clarity. कभी जैसे हम फंस जाते हैं या अभी हम मैचेस नहीं जीत पाए, तो we had a nice open chat and he was like, हमें जैसे एज अ सपोर्टिंग स्टाफ ही आज कि हमें तुम्हें अगर कुछ ऐसा लगता है कि हमें कुछ बदलना चाहिए तो वो भी बताओ. तो ही इज वेरी ओपन माइंडेड पर्सन. ये लगा अगर हमें कुछ चेंज करना है तो हम वो करेंगे, ताकि जो हमारा रिजल्ट है या जो हमारी परफॉर्मेंस है, हम अच्छी क्रिकेट कैसे खेल सके, हम अपना बेस्ट कैसे निकाल सके. तो वो सारी चीजें प्लेयर एंड you have a great communication with all of us, not just the main players, but even the net ballers or the boys, those who are not playing. So everyone stays quite happy and tight in VC family.
Okay. Next question is from Rishabh Gupta. Or question hai, what were your learnings from the last few games, the losses, especially the one against Sunrisers Hyderabad?
What was the learning? Learning यही कि ओवर में इतने ज्यादा नहीं और क्या कहते हैं, you know, come up with sometimes happens कि आप अपना जो प्लान लेके जाते हैं वो नहीं होता, और तो उस वक्त जब नहीं होता तो उससे फिर बंदा जरूर सीखता है कि अगली बारी क्या बेटर कर सकते हैं, क्या नहीं. तो when we're going to play them next time, then we'll be much more equipped and much more ready as well. And it's all right if we have lost 2 games with them, doesn't mean that we cannot win a third game. It's like जैसे हम 5 गेम इकट्ठे आ गए फिर हम 6ठी गेम जीत के. So that's how it is. It's not a big thing.
Okay. Last few questions, Shikhar. One, this is from G. Krishnan, and unka sawal hai, have you fancied opening the batting with Marcus Stoinis? Would the team want to try something different? And has from a batsman's perspective, is the batsman most vulnerable just after reaching 50 runs? Because across the board, we've seen batsmen play shots, lose shots, maybe try a cheeky shot after reaching 50 and then getting out.
Most vulnerable, right?
Yes.
No. He's most confident. That's why he tries more cheeky shots. Vulnerable, he won't try much of shots. Okay. He'll be out of confidence. So.
Okay. We were in the middle of this question jab disconnect ho gaya tha. Question from Kaushik Chakravarti. Unka sawal hai, how are your preparations for the match against Mumbai and their strong bowling lineup, which has do you have any special plans for the likes of Bumrah and Bolt?
My preparation, I'm relaxing, keeping myself fresh for tomorrow, and I've seen them enough of times. I watched their videos again, and I already know the plan, so it's nothing new. I'll go and perform and win the game for our team.
All right. This one is from actually the previous time. Have you fancied opening with Marcus Stoinis? Is that something that the Delhi Capitals team may have talked about?
Fancying opening with Marcus Stoinis, yeah. That's the question?
Yes.
Yeah. We have, I guess, Sports Hub thought about it, but they didn't discuss with me that much. And if I get opportunity, for sure. But we got Prithvi doing that job, or even Ajinkya did it, and Stoinis played great innings down the order for us, and he's a great asset for us. And of course, if I get a chance, I would love to do opening with him as well. Me and him have a good chemistry. We joke a lot, so it will be good fun. Yeah.
Okay. We will take this as the very last one because the internet is also a little shaky. This is the last one. Shikhar, how important is your IPL form going into the Tour of Australia?
of course, it's very important because once you score runs, once you do well, you take that confidence to the next tour. And Australia going to be good fun. I enjoy playing over there. I enjoy the pitches over there. Enjoy the bowling attack. So it's a good opportunity for me to showcase my class over there and to perform well and win matches for Indian team. It's very special. We're going to play for an Indian team after a long time, and yeah, looking forward for it. I'm looking forward to even win IPL and then go over there. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much, Shikhar, for your time, and thank you for joining. Sorry about the shaky internet connection. We will share this recording with you right after we are done. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining.
Bye, guys.
अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें और हाँ, हमें सब्सक्राइब और फॉलो करना ना भूलें ताकि आप क्रिकेट की कोई खबर मिस ना करें। चाहे स्पोर्ट्स की ब्रेकिंग न्यूज हो या क्रिकेट का कोई अपडेट, प्लेयर्स की मस्ती हो या फिर मैदान पर लाइव एक्शन, हर वीडियो मिलेगा न्यूज़ 24 स्पोर्ट्स पर। हम कंट्रोवर्सीज भी मिस नहीं करते, तो जुड़िए हमारे साथ और देखते रहिए न्यूज़ 24 स्पोर्ट्स।